YouTube, First On Auto Parts here. I'm out here stripping this 2016 Hyundai. We have the Hyundai Elantra or Accent, one of the two. I don't remember. But anyway, trying to pull the engine harness, and I'm looking, and the engine harness, actually the wiring harness for the car is one piece. I'm talking from the engine, the lights in the front, the engine, the fuse panel, the fuse box inside, the fuse box outside, behind the dash, running to the back of the car. It's all one giant solid harness, and I'm not going to pull that, but I am going to show you what I did find. Started removing the engine harness here, and you can see got the engine harness all apart, fuse box, and then I come to here as a Y, and it runs back up into the body, and I'm thinking there's a connector behind here, so I removed this piece, and look at this. This is the way it came from the factory at Hyundai. That is that's some quality work. Not a single connector anywhere else to separate it. It's one all harness. That's going to stay with the car. I'm not messing with it. Hey, if y'all seen this before, give me a shout out.